gonna be a sad day at the shop today. This is the last time you guys will get to see that wide bow tie on the 24x14 Ford Giottos with the Bread Gang center caps. The wheels are officially for sale. Jordan from the shop with the Cummins over there is gonna get the tires off of the bow tie today, and I have a new set of 375s in the office, brand new, waiting for a set of wheels that I have not ordered yet. I have my pick at any brand that I would like to put on the truck, and I haven't decided. I'm not even in a rush. I've got another set of 20s, stock 20s and 37s, stock 20s and 37s that I'm gonna put on the truck, and I haven't decided what I wanna put on there yet. Y'all ever heard that shh, shh song? That's so funny. Anyway, the wheels are coming off and the wheels are officially for sale. Make me an offer, I'll sell them to somebody pretty cheap. I don't got too much in the wheels, so I'll sell them to you guys pretty cheap. And I haven't decided what kind of wheels I should get next, so make sure you guys drop a comment below. What brand should I go with? JTX, KG1, Amani, American Force, you know, Ruthless. Drop all your comments below. Let me know what kind of wheels I should put on the bow tie back here. But like I said, I do have a new set of tires here. I haven't decided on wheels, but this will be the last day that you guys see the 2414 Ford Giottos and the Bread Gang center caps on the bow tie. Every time I take the wheels and tires off of my truck, I seem to always end up with a set of these black GNC wheels and a set of Ridge Grapplers. The last ones I had were 37 1250s, and these are 37 1350s. So a little bit different, but close enough, almost the same thing. I'll do this if you want to help with the condition now. Got the damn wheels swapped over. Old Bubba set up out here with the wrap on it. About to throw the rock lights on the way home. I'm gonna get them cleaned up, get the tires cleaned up, so they kind of match the matte black on the truck a little bit more. And it won't look terrible, but this is how the truck's gonna sit for the next couple of weeks, maybe a month, maybe 2 months, until I do my new lift kit, new wheels, and I got new tires inside. My guy drove all the way from Jacksonville. He was coming to Atlanta and he stopped by the shop just to meet us, so I wanted to make sure to throw his truck into a video. He's got a super nice Silverado with a Mcgaughys kit on it, so you know I had to show love to the Mcgaughys kits when they stopped by through the shop. I want to put you in a video real quick that you came through the shop to show love. Look at that red Mcgaughys kit. You make it so I'm supposed to get a new lift kit for my truck in the next month or so. Okay. And I'm definitely doing another Mcgaughys kit, but I really want to do red really bad. So that red's beautiful. I love that so much. Damn, I really like that red. That's freaking beautiful. Yeah, you're definitely making me want to do red. I've never felt like I was in a position where I could just send it and do red, but it's making me. Can I open the door? Did Matt say something? Hell yeah, that's so cool. Somebody just had called me about the next level mats the other day. That's so cool. Yeah, came through from Jacksonville to come show some love at the shop. I want to make sure to shout you out in the video, so we appreciate you.
Yep.
Damn, that's cool. Would you put in the Denali HD?
Yeah.
So you can put in anything you want when the levels fit.
Anything you want.
Like I said, I've always heard people that do it, but nobody, or people talk about the concept and never done it.
Yeah, never done it. That's the 450.
That might be the new wave.
I'm telling you.
You gonna show Rick Ross's house like that?
Yeah. I'm doing that. I got about 6 trucks I'm doing right now.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool. I'll come right back. I got you on the list though. Okay. I don't know. We're just gonna make it casual. These guys at the driving school next door brought some pizza to me. They're fans of the channel. What's up? So I wanted to throw you in a video so you'll forever be on the YouTube channel. Let's go. So in 10 years, when you think you were weird at 15 years old, you can go back and watch yourself on YouTube. Let's go. Yeah. Let's get this bread. Yes, sir.
Subscribe.
Oh my God. So I need to order the pads again. I have no good luck with this.
Great.
With this Tacoma right now.
Oh no.
I'm pretty sure they already have it.
What?
We're here till 6. You come home.
I'm trying to test this new mic out before I go to Texas on Saturday to make sure this mic works the same. If you want to sing, yeah.
I can't sing.
I'm down for it. Take me home. You think that would get copyrighted, or is that natural?
Probably sounds so close to it that it's gonna definitely get copyrighted.
So we built this truck probably, was it 6 months ago, a year ago? No, the video was 7 months ago. So we built this truck like 7.5 months ago, and it was the perfect opportunity for me to test out the new mic and showcase a really nice build that we did, you know, 6 months ago, 7 months ago. So we got a 2021, 2022 Chevy 1500 with the all red FTS lift. One of my favorite color combinations that we've done on any truck, the all red lift kit, straight from FTS like that. FTS does all the custom powder coat that you could ever want, with the upper control arms, with the chrome accents, the spindles, the front compression bars, your sway bar drop down brackets, rear traction bars, blocks, freaking all of it, freaking beautiful. I love FTS's lift kit. I love the way it's designed. 26x14 JTX Lotus with the custom Cap King floating center caps and the spike lug nuts. It's freaking beautiful. The gloss black with the red and the white is one of my favorites, and this is honestly, it's just one of my favorite builds that we did last year, and this is the first time it's been back that I can remember since we built it, and it's just the perfect opportunity for me to show off the mic and make sure that my mic is working as he's filming me, filming you. It looks good.
You know you had the camera pointed at me.
You look good over there. I wanted to make sure the mic is working. So if you guys haven't seen that video, make sure you guys go check out this video on the channel. We got a sweat pulling up. Sorry. She smiled as she drove by, so we're good.
She winked at me.
Did she really?
Yeah.
I don't believe you.
She winked at me and she
Get out of here.
definitely smiled.
I don't believe you.
You don't believe me?
Nah, it's the haircut.
The quintessential Silverado at Southern Tire.
You know, it's cool that we can watch each other, like watch our appearances change. And one thing I've noticed that just kind of stuck out of my mind is the
Are you saying that
the cheddar right now. The cheddar right now. He's got his beard all cleaned up right now. Jake's looking good. We got the cheddar hanging out the back with the Bass Pro Shop hat.
I got my haircut last night.
Looking
Bill definitely
freaking.
asked me, where's Alex?
Really?
And what has he been doing about his hair?
I haven't gotten a haircut since the last time I went to Bill and got the mullet halfway cut, and that was like 2 months ago.
I had told him that, and he said, there's no way. And I said, yes. Yo, wait till you see it.
Oh, it's
So even
mullety glorious. Glorious back there.
The LST and all that, you're gonna go with the flow?
Oh, I'm going mullet out. Oh yeah. Just cheddar hanging out at LST next. Make sure you guys watch the next video. Today's video is gonna be really short. I'm not doing too much. I showed you guys a little bit of the Silverado and an update on the Silverado, and then an update of us. Not too much going on this week, so shorter video this week, but make sure you guys tap in next week. It's gonna be a huge, huge video. I love you guys. Short video, long hair. Let's get this bread.